I can think of a handful of things. One is generally, and these are all generalities, I don't want to say it's always this way, but typically what we see is that it's cheaper, it's less costly, because there's no specialty software that you need. There's no reliance on developers. That's all the responsibility of the provider. And they tend to make it affordable because you can pay by the year or even by the month, rather than having to pay a big license fee all at once, which was kind of the old school way of procuring software. Then another pro is that it's safer. These days, safety of data is so important, and cloud repositories require data security compliance, and they're safe overall, and the organization that's using that is sharing that responsibility with the provider and with the software provider and with their internet service provider, so it's not all on them. So it's safer. It's also more accessible because, as we know from the pandemic, we can access it anywhere and on any device. And so for a lot of people in fundraising especially, that's terrific. But for any, I think, nonprofit professional who's working from home or who's working hybrid, it's just easy. You can expect the same things every time you log in. And more up to date, what we find is that cloud-based software technology, they can fix bugs faster, and they can push new releases out more quickly. And so the users get more up-to-date software available. Now, the main con that I see, and I think you're going to really appreciate this, Tasha, is change management, learning curve, and ultimately managing more systems and more data. But frankly, I think that the pros really do outweigh the cons. And it's like so many things in our changing world, it's a matter of getting used to it, and we persevere and we figure it out.